Hello friends, I'm Hishana Nasrin. Today I'm going to talk about structure of diamond and NaCl. So we all are familiar with diamonds. Diamond is a solid form of the element carbon with its atoms arranged in a crystal structure called a diamond cubic. Diamond has the highest hardness and thermal conductivity of any natural material, properties that are utilized in major industrial applications such as cutting and polishing tools. Diamond also has relatively high optical dispersion. Basically, diamond has diamond cubic crystal structure. The diagram given here represent the unit cell of diamond. So, where is the atoms exactly located? The carbon atom at all the corners of the unit cell, so that the 8 atoms at the corners. It is a face-centered cubic unit cell, so we place atoms at the face centers. So we have got 6 more atoms. Now it is a face-centered cubic, but diamond cubic crystal is not a face-centered cubic. It has additional atoms and we place those atoms at the body diagonal. On each of the body diagonal, the atom is either at 1 by 4th or 3 by 4th location, that is, there is extra 4 atoms. Diamond cubic crystal has all the atoms for a face-centered cubic crystals plus 4 additional atoms, one sitting on each of the 4 body diagonal. On body diagonal, atom is at 1 by 4th, then on an adjoining body diagonal, it is at 1 by 4th of the length of the diagonal. Let's draw the projection of unit cell. Project the unit cell in xy plane on the base. The base plane is a square. Here I given the base plane diagram. Here z-axis is perpendicular to the plane. We have atoms are at the corners and at the face centers. So atoms above the base plane will project them onto this base plane. On the middle of the AB edge have another atom projected, which is representing the atom in the original unit cell was a center of the left face. So the left face center atom got projected. Similarly, right face center on middle of the DC edge and front face center atom projected on middle of BC edge, the back face center atom on middle of edge AD. Let's project the body diagonal atoms. Look at the first body diagonal atom, which is located at 1 by 4th of the body diagonal starting from the position A, and its Miller indices is 1, 1, 1 direction. Since the atom is 1 by 4th of the body diagonal, the coordinates are 1 by 4 along x-axis and 1 by 4 along y-axis. Similar for the atom along the diagonal starting from C also. For atoms at the diagonal starting from D and B, its coordinates are 3 by 4 along x-axis and 3 by 4 along y-axis. So the diamond cubic crystal structure is described as FCC lattice plus basis. Here the basis has 2 atoms and the coordinates are 0, 0, 0 and 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. What is the tetrahedral bonding in diamond? Each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms located on the corners of a tetrahedron in a diamond. So if I take a carbon atom in a diamond, if it is supposed to be bonded to 4 other carbon atoms and these 4 carbon atoms, if I join, they bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. These are on the vertices of a tetrahedron. So where is the tetrahedron in a diamond cubic structure? Look at the corner atom labeled as 1. It is clear that at each corner 3 faces meet. So we have 4 atoms, 1 corner and 3 face center atoms. Then 4 atoms form a tetrahedron and form carbon bonding. That's all about the structure of diamond. Now I am going to discuss about the structure of sodium chloride. NaCl or rock salt is an example of ionic solid. In NaCl, the cation is Na plus with radius Rna plus equal to 0.98 angstrom, and anion is Cl minus with radius Rcl minus equal to 1.81 angstrom. Calculating the radius ratio, Rna by Rcl is equal to 0.54. This radius fit between 0.414 less than Rna by Rcl less than 0.732. This implies an octahedral coordination of chloride ion around Na plus ion. Octahedral coordination means there will be 6 chloride ions and single Na plus ion. So this is the diagram representing the unit cell of NaCl. Here the lattice is face-centered cubic and the bases consist of 1 Na plus and 1 Cl minus ion. In the real crystal structure, chlorine ions form the so-called face-centered cubic sites. So in the unit cell, chloride ions are at the corners and they are also on the face centers. That is, total 14 chloride ions are in the FCC unit cell. So where are the sodium ions located? Since the sodium is having an octahedral coordination and we know that the octahedral site for FCC is in the cube center and as well as on the edge centers. So these are the locations where sodium ion can fit having an octahedral coordination. In the real crystal structure, along the edge, the two ions, that is chloride and Na plus ions, are actually touching each other. Then you can see the relationship between the radii and lattice parameter A. It is given below as 2 into radius of chloride ion plus radius of Na plus ion is equal to lattice parameter A. So the crystal structure is described as FCC lattice plus bases. The bases consist of 1 Na plus and 1 Cl minus ion separated by 1/2 the body diagonal of the unit cube. There are 4 units of NaCl in each unit cube with atoms in the position are given below in the table. So in this presentation, we discussed about the structure of diamond and sodium chloride. So that's all about my topic. Thank you.